Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage. And in today's video, I will be guiding you through the installation process of rear swing arm spools on the 2023 and up Suzuki GSX-8S. Now in this video, I will be installing the swing arm spool sliders, which can be seen here. But please note, for this particular model, we do offer swing arm spool sliders, which are a larger Delrin puck. And we also offer rear swing arm spools, which are an anodized CNC machined aluminum. These are much smaller compared to the swing arm spool sliders. The sliders are meant to provide a little bit of protection, but both are meant to be designed to provide you with a secure lifting point when trying to lift up the rear of your motorcycle. These installation processes are identical and they are very straightforward. So let's go ahead and jump right in. To get started on this installation process, you will need your tool and the product. In this case, we are working with a 6mm hex key T-handle Allen key. And then of course our spool slider and the provided hardware. You will line this up and superimpose the spool slider and the hardware over the spool boss located on the rear swing arm. Then with your tool in hand, you will very easily and gently begin threading to ensure that you are not cross-threading and that there are no debris in the threads of the swing arm spool boss or of the provided hardware. And just like that, once you bottom out, this installation is finalized. I do like to go ahead and once we do hit the bottom, I like to go about 1/8 of a turn, 1/16 of a turn past that, just to provide some additional preload tension. We do have riders ask, can I install Loctite on this? Yes, you can use a blue Loctite or any thread locking agent like that on the threads of the bolt. You don't need to apply a large amount. Small amount will secure this during normal road vibrations. Now we can go ahead and repeat the steps on the opposite side and get ready to ride. Now with the spool sliders installed, we can show the practical use. And just like that, this installation is complete. You are ready to ride. As you can see, you now have a secure lift point for the rear of your motorcycle to perform maintenance. Just store it in your garage, or if you just want some added security, knowing that a kickstand can potentially fail. If you're interested in this product, you want to check out what else we have available for the Suzuki GSX-8S or any other bike that may be in your garage, be sure to stop by our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these spools can be found in the description below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn the notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we've got going on. And lastly, be sure to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark in the TST Garage, and we will catch you next time.